Start by taking that cotter pin out of that rod that's in the front of the mower deck, and then pull that rod out. Work your way back from there. Right and left side of the back of the mower deck has a bracket. Just pick up the mower deck, give it a little push, one side at a time. It'll come off of there, and then that'll give you enough slack in the belt that you should be able just to pull it off of that drive pulley pretty easy without any problem. And then pull the mower deck out from underneath the mower so you can get to all this stuff. These pulley covers have to come off. Mine has 3 screws. Yours might have less or more, but they have to come off to get the belt off. So find all those screws, and then this bracket here, that bracket's all bent up. I gotta bend that back while I got this thing out. But get these covers off so you can get the belt off, and then make sure you know how to get the belt back on. Most mowers will have a drawing of some kind somewhere, how to get it back on, or you can find something online probably. And then, yeah, that bracket there, just hit that with a hammer. I should be able to bend that back pretty easy. Wedge a block in here to get my blades off, a little cheater bar maybe if you need to. Here's a tip for you: don't mow bricks and rocks, because that's what happens. So there you go, no charge for that. So yeah, we'll get new blades on here, get this cleaned up, and then we can work backwards from here, get all them blades tightened down, get the belt back on properly, double check it before you put your pulley covers back on, and check it again before you slide it back under the mower. Work from the back to the front. I hook it on that drive pulley first, and then right and left side of the back of the mower deck up onto that rod, and then I'll do the front last. Get that rod in there, and then that cotter pin back in there. And then some general maintenance, air filter. It's a Kawasaki 23 horse. Little thumb screw, pull that out of there. The filter, and use an air hose or brush, or replace it if you need to. And then the fuel filter, inline fuel filter. I put a inline shutoff on my fuel line so I could shut the fuel off to do this fuel filter every once in a while. So we'll get that replaced. And then the other side, you got your fill spout for the oil, and then under that is the oil filter, and then under that's the bottom of the motor has the drain plug. It's got a little hose adapter on it. I let the mower run for a little bit, let it warm up so the oil come out of there easy. Got my hose hooked up, loosen that plug, and then take the fill cap off so some air can get in there, so it'll drain a little easier. And then I actually had to take this fill valve, not valve, this little spout thing off. I don't know what you call that stupid thing. Take that off so I can get to the filter, and put all that back together. Air pressure in the tires, pretty important. You got a soft tire one side, hard tire on the other side. It's going to mow crooked. You know, your mower deck's going to be crooked. So just check all 4 tires and make sure you get the proper pressure in there. And then, you know, get everything put together. I got, you know, the new oil filter. This motor takes 2 quarts, so I put probably 3/4 of that in there. Started it, let it run for a little bit, and then topped it off. Make sure I get the right oil level. So yeah, hope that helps, and good luck.